of the oldest buildings I've ever worked in. I can put it that way. Yeah, and I like it. It's pretty neat. When we were doing some undergrounds, I was able to find some bricks that were original bricks in the ground that were still whole. I took them home. I found a couple old bottles underneath the dirt also out here.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's pretty neat being able to do stuff like this.
Yeah, I have woodworking experience outside of this, but this is my first masonry job. So
Yeah, so this site was a coffee factory made in 1923 when they built the building, and apparently they roasted it here as well.
I think it was a Budweiser plant and a coffee plant. It's been several different things. A lot of motels are being renovated now. The hospitals, VA, they're working on the VA hospital also. But a lot of it seems like the motels, downtown, a lot of that.
You don't want what you